Today, what I'm going to share with you is how to make orange chicken. Orange chicken is my go-to dish whenever I'm at Panda Express. It's like chung, orange chicken. And sometimes though, I make a mental note not to order the dish. Like when I'm queuing in the line, right? I tell myself, Malou, not orange chicken this time. But as soon as I'm at the counter, I would say, chung, orange chicken please. But I think my mind is wired that way, that orange chicken equals Panda Express. Panda Express equals orange chicken. Not until my husband, on a whim, cooked orange chicken, and I was surprised that it was even better. So stick with me within the next few minutes as I share with you how to make orange chicken better than Panda Express. Well, for one, it's lightly coated, so you could actually taste the chicken. And two, it's orange chicken, right? So I'm adding real oranges.
Okay, to start off, let's start with our chicken. I am using chicken thighs. Why? Because we want our chicken to be moist, tender, and juicy in the inside. Also, I'm including the skin. Again, because we want crunchy, crispy chicken, right? So we're slicing it into chunks like 1 inch by 1 inch. The next is for us to season it with salt and pepper. And because we want our orange chicken to taste like orange, I'd like to put some zest.
A little swish of the orange. See, you could smell orange already right from the get-go. And then cover it. Let's set this aside and we marinate it for 30 minutes. For the breading, this is half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of AP flour. I'd like to season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix it together. And so this is our breading. Put our chicken in here. Find this less messy because when you shake it in the bag, it stays right there and there's no flour dust all over your kitchen. And then shake it. Shake it, shake it. Shake it thoroughly. Make sure to coat each and every piece of it. You could take a peek. See? Make sure it's well coated. Okay? Now the next step is to shake off the flour from the chicken. What we want is it's lightly coated. Let's shake off the excess flour.
And at this point, I want you to channel your inner Taylor Swift. I just want to shake, 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 shake it off, shake it off. That's another pa-cute moment. But now we're ready to fry.
One way to test if your oil is hot enough, put your wooden spoon. If bubbles gather around the spoon, it's already hot. We could go ahead and fry our chicken. Let's do it batch by batch. Let's not crowd it so that we could achieve the crispiness that we desire. Because that crispiness will put a stamp to this dish. Stir it as soon as you drop it to make sure that they are not clumped together. Fried chicken makes me remember my son. He was trying to make my Filipino fried chicken and he said, "Mom, how could you do this? It's so hard." So Joey, I wish you were here. So after 4 to 5 minutes, we get it out from the frying pan and put it on the rack.
Okay, so let's do the second batch. Again, do not overcrowd the pieces of chicken. Also fry it for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Not dark though, just light.
So we're
Okay.
almost done frying, but I was sweetly distracted by the beauty of these freshly cut flowers. And they smell good too. Thank you, Chantal and Mabel. It's so nice to have lovely neighbors, isn't it? Now that we're done frying the chicken, look, it's so crispy. I could actually eat it because it's already cooked too. So we're gonna make the sauce.
On another pan, a little oil, then that's chili flakes because we want a little heat. Another powder. Another powder is optional, but I just want the color orange to pop. And then for our aromatics, we have ginger and then garlic. And while our aromatics are steeping in the oil, let's make the
Oyster
sauce.
We have 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You want it sweet, tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want it sweeter, you could add more. Then let's give this a quick stir and we're ready to mix them all together. Now put all the soy sauce that we have put together with the honey. Like so. Give it a quick stir. Orange zest. There. Lastly, vinegar. Give it a little swish there.
Then add the slurry of cornstarch and water.
And with the cornstarch, you have to swirl it right away, otherwise it's gonna clump. Then what we're looking for is kind of like a condensed milk consistency, like so. After that, we drop our chicken. And there you go. Orange chicken like Panda Express, but better. It's so good that, yep, of course. Mas masarap din Panda. Look at that. Oh, even the color is beautiful. Let's spruce it up with toasted sesame.
And drizzle a little sesame oil. You could also add chili oil if you want.
Lastly, I'm gonna crown it. And of course, steaming hot rice for the 2 of us. And our chopsticks. I got a spoon. I'm trying to reprogram my mind that orange chicken is better at home. So, hanggang sa muli, this is Malou saying, that's a wrap!